In today's video, we're gonna talk about where to take inspiration when you are stuck. So basically, I have seen a lot of people scrolling up and down Pinterest and just ending up with blank sheets. Are you one of those? So this video will help you to take inspiration. So basically, there are 4 points. First, you have to explore fashion history. Trust me, classic design is always into fashion. The second point is explore any store which have a lot of fabrics so that you can take inspiration from any of the fabrics and create your own collection. Third point is take inspiration from street fashion. Any street fashion which is current into vogue, please take inspiration from that and create your garment. You will never fail. And the fourth and final point is take inspiration from art and architecture. So whatever art and architecture has been made in the history, take inspiration from that and create your collection. Trust me, you will never go wrong. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon so that you don't miss any of the notification of the upcoming videos. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.